What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Dymi World.
Dymi.
Thank you for watching all my other videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video and all my other videos. Make sure you're shopping at Dymi Apparel. Link will be
down below,
like always. And today, I am about to be doing episode 2 of eating scary food with Dymi. So, pretty scared and nervous like always. And it's probably loud as fuck, but yeah. So, what's on the menu today?
We got oysters for today.
Oh, what are those?
Okay, yeah, today I'm going to be eating oysters. I'm going to be eating oysters, right? Okay, but yeah, so I'm going to be eating oysters. Yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes. So yeah, just stay tuned. Make sure you keep watching. Don't click out before I eat the oysters. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I just made it to the seafood place and I'm about to order the oysters. Scared. Pray for me.
Dude, go on the table.
I'll take a mango peach.
Two of those?
Damn, it's my turn, huh? What do I get last? You got a fruit punch?
No fruit punch really. It'll be like either like the blueberry and strawberry lemonades or like the teas. You can do like a mixture of the blueberry and strawberry.
Can I get the mixture one?
Can I get the raw oysters?
So we don't actually have raw oysters right now. We only have fried oysters.
Okay, can I get the fried?
Yeah,
Oh, there we go, Dymi. There we go.
Alright, I just ordered the oysters, and as you can see, there's no raw oysters. Yay! So, I'm gonna try fried oysters. I'm just as scared because what's the difference? It's just fried. But you guys wanna do a story time while we wait?
Yes.
I'm the one telling the story. So let's do a story time. Let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday, as you can see in the previous video, I was recording, right? And I am back with more experiments, bigger and better. So yeah. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a series of TikTok viral experiments. I know I did the... And Derek decides that he wants to spill the Coca-Cola on my Crocs.
Oh, clear onto the way.
So, therefore, my feet were slippery. I'm lying. I'm lying.
Did I lie?
I'm lying.
You was in the way.
I'm lying.
You was in the way.
I'm lying.
You was in the way.
I'm lying.
Justin.
So the Coca-Cola didn't spill.
Okay.
The Coca-Cola most definitely
Definitely
somehow hit the floor.
Over
It spilled, but it didn't.
my feet. Am I right? Am I right?
I believe it was in that area, so it must be true.
Okay. Okay, you did. Do a night of she's the shot. She's the shot. And she's telling her story.
So back to my story after I was really interrupted. So yeah, back to what I was saying. Derek poured soda all over my Crocs, and then Justin stole my keys.
Huh?
Justin stole my keys, and as I was trying to walk to my car, my feet were so slippery. Oh my gosh, they were so slippery. I could not walk, and Justin pushed me.
What are you saying? What happened?
I'm sorry, guys. Go for me.
Just because.
What?
Just because you was on her side.
Go fund
She
her.
switched up on you.
Justin pushed me,
Switched up on you.
I don't have time
and
for this.
Justin pushed
I'm
me.
trying to find my kid, my
Justin-
granddaughter,
Justin,
right now.
Justin pushed me. You do look like somebody, by the way. But, that's for another story time. But yeah, Justin pushed me. I hope you guys got that he pushed me. And he pushed me, and my foot went all the way to the front. And my feet, my foot was covered in blood. It was covered in blood.
There's no evidence of this.
And he still never gave me my car. I mean, he still. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
Look, she doesn't have her fucking alibi right.
And he still never gave me my keys. So I had to finish recording. I had to finish recording with a bloody foot.
This is all wrong.
And all him and Derek did was laugh at me.
It is not true. Is that right there? Oh, shit. Oh my God.
He just confirmed it right there.
That it happened.
How?
You
I'm
laughed
laughing. That's
because
your-
he's still
that's your-
he's
I'm
still
laughing.
laughing at me.
I spit all the way over there.
He's still laughing at me.
Oh, bad.
I just am
There it
so
is.
hurt that Dymi would say such a thing to me because she knows that I'm going through a lot right now because I am missing my dog, my granddaughter.
Your
Her
dog or
name-
your granddaughter? Which one?
She's my granddaughter, but she's also my dog.
That's kind of weird, but okay.
VV's went missing. And
No, for real?
it's really sad because she's gone and I was looking to raise her. I just want to say everybody pray for London. She still don't have the rest of her milk sucked out of her titties and she's missing her daughter and I'm missing my granddaughter. Free VV's.
You do look like a grandfather, by the way, but we're not gonna get into that.
Yeah, I said earlier, the water lids, sometimes they're a little loose. Just be careful how you grab them. It's a easy mess.
Yeah, I might accidentally like throw it on somebody or something.
Right.
Oh, see, look, that would have been it. It would have been all over Derek,
It's real fast.
right?
I guess go.
As you can see, fried oysters. What the fuck is this? It looks like I'm about to eat a chicken tender. Ugh, it's slimy. Okay, should I try it with ranch?
Yeah.
What sauce is that? Just drop it out
I don't know. You try it with that.
Or was this what you asked? The chipotle
You try it
sauce?
with that.
It tastes like mustard mayo.
Okay.
You never tried oyster?
What is oysters like? What do they
Y'all gonna try it?
Are we trying it at the same time? Or are we
No.
waiting for you? Okay, we waiting for you. But I'm gonna try it.
I set the motherfucking bar. I was playing.
I am the motherfucking.
In the bottega.
Down below in the sea, there were 3 little oysters named Cleon,
Oh shit.
Justin,
Hi guys.
and Jerry. One day, a sailor came and snatched them up. Came and snatched up Cleon, Justin, and Jerry. And then, days later, they were sold to the crab shack. And then, later that night, they were fried and served to Dymi. As you can see, here's Cleon. Here's Justin.
Oh shit. This bitch got me fucked.
So, I don't know which one is. I mean, they're dead already, but
Did she pick up a French fry for Jerry? Did she pick up a fucking French fry for Jerry?
Bibs and gloves.
it's always the mental for me. Every time. It's episode 2, and I don't even want to eat. This look like a chicken tender, I swear. I'm brave. I'm bold. Justin, give me my talk. What? Okay, I'm gonna try an oyster and a mussel. Which one should I try first?
The oyster.
The oyster. Put some ranch. It's giving fish stick vibe.
Oh hell no.
It's a little more fishy. I wouldn't eat this. I wouldn't eat this. Because I don't like fish sticks, first of all. It's like a fishy fish stick. It's not good. Not good. It's giving slimy chicken, I swear. That's what it's giving. It's giving slimy chicken. This shit, I can't even hold it. This is hot.
What's that? What's that?
This is hot. Yeah, so I tried an oyster. My review on the oyster, it's but yeah, like I said, it's giving salmonella. It's giving fish stick, fishy fish sticks, like fishy, like freezer burn.
Fishy.
It's giving slimy chicken. It's giving uncooked raw chicken. It's giving sick to my stomach. But on the other hand, the mussel, I mean, that really wasn't part of the menu. It was really supposed to be for me to try raw oysters, but of course we had to compromise, and then I did fried oysters. So yeah, never again. But the mussel, on the other hand, that was good, but it burnt the hole in my mouth, so never again. Yeah, so you guys ready? Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cheers. Put it in there.
Salmonella!
Cheers to salmonella.
Salmonella! Woo!
You know I'm about to eat the rest of it.
It's always clean out for me.
What?
Me and Rihanna up there living our
You
life.
see that little black spot right there on the floor?
Yeah, that's you.
That's you right there.
Which
your
one?
cousin.
Which one?
All of them. That's all of them.
But you see, I'm up here, right?
I'm not a disrespect person like that. Please, I've been trying to disrespect me all day. You know I ain't with that shit, yo. You know, cause I'm gonna start wanting to beat bitches up. There she go. What? A bunch of bark, huh?
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, this one wasn't that bad as last time, so it was actually okay. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to this video and all my other videos. And if you haven't already, go watch episode 1 and then come back to episode 2. But I mean, you're already at the end of this video, so just go back now to episode 1 if you haven't watched it already. But yeah, so make sure you shop DYMIAPPAREL. Link will be
Down below.
like always. And yeah, so make sure you remember that we're in a pandemic, not a pandemic. Make sure you stay patient, prayed up, motivated, and positive. And one last thing, make the money, don't let it make you. And we out.
Yeah, we out. Yeah, you better say we out.